With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So today's question is, the point 21 is translated parallel to the line x minus y is equal to 4 by 2 root 3 units. If the new point Q lies in the third quadrant, then the equation of the line passing through Q and perpendicular to L is. So we have the point 21. Let's say we have the line x minus y is equal to 4, which can be plotted as this. Y is equal to x minus 4, and the point we have is 21. So 21 lies somewhere here. 21. Now it is translated parallel to this line, means in this direction, and the new point Q lies in the third quadrant, so means the point is shifted somewhere here, and the distance given is 2 root 3 units. So we have to find the line. Now we know that the slope of this line m is equal to 1. On comparing y is equal to mx plus c, we have m is equal to 1. This implies that tan theta is equal to 1 or theta is equal to 45 degree. So this angle we have 45 degree. So this line also will have 45 degree. Now if we try to draw the triangle, or we will be finding the components, x component and y component of this. So this line would be 2 root 3. This angle is 45, so this will be 45 degree. So 2 root 3 cos 45, and this line would be 2 root 3 sin 45. So we have the new point, this line as the point shifted in y direction is 2 root 3 cos 45 units. So the new y, let's say y dash is 2 minus 2 root 3 cos 45 degree, that is 2 minus 2 root 3 into 1 by root 2, or this can be written as 2 minus root 6. Similarly, the x dash can be written as x dash is this is x dash, sorry, this is x dash, and y dash would be 1 minus 2 root 3 sin 45, 1 minus 2 root 3 sin 45, which is equal to 1 minus 2 root 3 into 1 by root 2, or this can be written as 1 minus root 6. So we have the new coordinates of the Q as x dash and y dash, which are 2 minus root 6 and 1 minus root 6. Now if we have to find equation of any perpendicular line, let's say we have to find we have the line ax plus by is equal to c, and we have to find the perpendicular line, and we have to find the line perpendicular to this. So we can find this by just exchanging the coefficients of x and y. This can be written as bx minus ay is equal to lambda, and putting some conditions we can find the new line. So we have the line as, we have the given line as x minus y is equal to 4. So perpendicular line would be minus x, this is plus x plus y is equal to lambda, and we just have to satisfy these points in this line. So on satisfying, we get 2 minus root 6 plus 1 minus root 6 is equal to lambda, or lambda is equal to 3 minus 2 root 6. So the line we got is x plus y is equal to lambda, or x plus y is equal to 3 minus 2 root 6. This is the required perpendicular line which passes through the Q, and the answer is option D.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.